Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite show about gadgets, the place where you get information about क्या नया आने वाला है, क्या चल रहा है और क्या आगे होने वाला है, because this is Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji. My name is Gaurav TG, your host, और आज इस एपिसोड में I'm gonna show you something super exclusive because in my hands this is the all new iPhone 15 Pro जो कि Apple सितंबर में लॉन्च करेगा. I have managed to get dummies of all the upcoming new iPhones. We have the iPhone 15 Pro, the Pro Max, the 15, the 15 Plus, basically everything. और आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि क्या नया होने वाला है और क्या कुछ changes हम expect कर सकते हैं इस पूरे lineup में. So the first thing which is pretty obvious the moment I had a look was कि यहाँ पे अभी finally in the entire iPhone lineup we are getting the USB-C port. So no more Lightning जो कि iPhone 5 के टाइम पे अनाउंस हुआ था. अभी finally it's all USB-C across the lineup. Now one more change is the in-hand feel of these phones because now the edges are slightly curved on both the sides. तो अगर आपने Pro phone पकड़ा है या Standard 15 पकड़ा है आपको in-hand feel काफी अच्छा होने वाला है because normally you see with all these new iPhones because of the sharp edges sometimes जब आप लंबे टाइम तक फोन को यूज करते हो तो you will feel कि phone is kind of digging in your palms, but अभी ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है. Another change I can give you is पीछे की तरफ if you see the 15 lineup is with this matte finish. Usually the way Apple does is the base phones like for example the 14 and the 14 Plus they'll have a glossy finish लेकिन जो Pro वाले phones होते हैं उसमें हमको मिलता है एक matte finish, but this time across the lineup we have a matte feel. तो अभी कुछ Apple नया करने वाला है. And one last thing जो नई होने वाली है जो मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ which is clearly visible from the outside is the new kind of buttons in the Pro lineup. These are not for the standard 15 and the 15 Plus, but in fact for the Pro lineup now I have a different kind of a mute switch. So maybe it's a solid state button जहाँ पे you apply some pressure and then maybe you can use different levels of pressure gives you different kinds of things. Same thing goes with the volume button because now it's kind of like a single unit, like a bigger capsule giving you the volume up and down options. So हो सकता है कि Apple कुछ नया करने वाला है. अब now we just need to wait till September to find out कि what exactly Apple is planning to pack inside these phones. Cameras कैसे होंगे या डिस्प्ले में कुछ हमको नया मिलता है या नहीं. अच्छा, for a fact I'll give you one more exclusive. Now I'm not sure of this, but the way these dummies were sent to us, and the packing said iPhone 15 Ultra, not iPhone 15 Pro Max. So हो सकता है Apple might change their naming scheme. So this could be iPhone 15 Ultra. So let's see कि क्या exactly होता है in the week of September जब Apple इन नए फोन्स को लॉन्च करता है. लॉन्च से काफी पहले हमने पूरा देख लिया है the first glimpse of the new iPhone lineup. उस टाइम पे we'll again see and आप बताना कि क्या जो मैंने बातें बोली हैं उसमें से सच हुई हैं. But just adding one thing here, फोन्स हम सभी के पास में हैं, हम सभी इनको यूज करते हैं और मोस्टली लोग दिन भर यूज करते हैं फोन्स को ऐसे पकड़ के चैटिंग. तो I'm gonna give you the tech tip of this week wherein you can enhance your experience if you are chatting a lot on phones, especially WhatsApp.